What are you walking?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear?
He's going to the ball.
He?
Uh-huh.
Isn't it she? She's wearing a dress. She's going to the ball?
Uh-huh.
Who's taking her?
Me.
Oh, you're taking Teddy to the ball?
Yeah, you can come to the ball.
Oh, I don't have a date. Oh, look at your room. Mommy's going to be happy.
Well, I have to clean my stuff here.
Oh, are you having fun in here?
Uh-huh. You can take a picture.
Okay, what's the teddy bear's name?
Nana.
Nana?
No, Mana.
Oh, can you dance with Teddy? Oh, you're such a good dancer. Whoa! Don't trip.
Oh, I almost tripped.
Oh, what's today? Today's Saturday, May 25th?
No.
No. Yeah.
No.
2013? Well, I have to finish your pancakes. Blow kisses.
Bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Bye, Mama.